Hello friends, welcome to the video. Today we are going to see the part 1 video of 125 basic environmental engineering questions. These are knowledge based questions and it is very easy to remember it. We can expect this question in SSC, JE and IS prelims. This may be also useful for newly introduced GATE subject, GATE Environmental Engineering. GATE scholar, watch the full video and try to recall the answer. Without any delay, we'll go to the video. The first question is, standard unit of turbidity of water is in 1 liter of distilled water, 1 milligram of finely divided silica. The second question is, per capita demand of water is calculated in liters per person per day, or LPCD, that is liters per capita per day, or LPHD, that is liters per head per day. The next question is, for the prediction of future population of a city, the factor to be considered is births, deaths, migrants and all of the above. The next question is, low turbidity of water is detected by Bailey's turbidity meter. The fifth question is, capacity of soil to absorb moisture is generally known as infiltration capacity. The next question is, the maximum permissible color for domestic supplies based on Cobalt scale is 20 ppm. The range is 5 ppm to 20 ppm. Alum, which is known as aluminum sulfate, is a coagulant. The next question is, water loss in water supply is assumed to be 15%. The next question is, demand for public use in a city does not include water required on sprinkling of roads, where all the watering for public parks, public gardens and drinking purpose are considered in public uses. The next question is, total flow in a stream is also known as runoff, stream flow and discharge. So the answer is all the above. The next question is, in a rapid sand filter, air binding is caused due to excess of negative pressure. To remove very fine suspended particles from water, the method adopted is filtration. The efficiency of pumping set is generally assumed to be 65%. The next question is, the growth of population can be conveniently represented by logistic curve or S curve. The next question is, rapid gravity filters can remove bacterial impurities up to a maximum of 90%, whereas slow sand filter can remove up to 98 to 99%. From the surface of reservoir, evaporation may be minimized by sprinkling cetyl alcohol and sterile alcohol. The next question is, efficiency of removing bacteria from raw water by a slow sand filter is 98 to 99%. Runoff is a quantity of water which flows in reverse. Dechlorination is followed by superchlorination. The bed slope in slow sand filters is generally kept in 1 in 100. At breakpoint of chlorination, the residual chlorine is 0. Perch aquifers is generally occur above the water table. For complete stabilization of organic matter in polluted water, it takes 5 full days. The 24th question is, an aquiclude is a confined bed of impervious material between aquifers. It contains large amount of water. The 25th question is, the total domestic consumption in a city water supply is assumed to be 60%. The next question is, the temporary oddness of water can be removed by adding lime and boiling water. In distribution pipes, air walls are provided at the higher points or summit points, whereas the drainage walls are provided at the lower points. The next question is, disappearance of pink color of water of a well due to KMnO4, that is potassium permanganate, indicates that the water contains organic matter. The next question is, detention time for plain sedimentation tank usually ranges from 4 to 8 hours, whereas sedimentation tank aided with coagulation, the detention time takes 2 to 4 hours. 135 liters of water per person per day is provided in nursing homes, hostels and residential schools. So the answer is all of the above. The next question is, raw water treated with only chlorine is known as plain chlorination. The second question is, an ideal sand for filters should be free from dirt and other impurities, uniform in nature and size, odd and resistant. So the answer is all of the above. The next question is, duration of contact of chlorine with water before it is served to the first consumer should be at least of 10 to 15 minutes. The next question is, percentage of chlorine in fresh bleaching powder is roughly of 30 to 35%. The 35th question is, level of underground water is known as water table. The next question is, water may not contain much impurities if the source is spring along the hill slopes. The gaseous form of chlorine gets converted into liquid form when subjected to a pressure of 7 kg per centimeter square. The next question is, the dilution ratio at which the odor is hardly detectable is generally called a threshold odor number, and for public supplies it should not exceed 3 ppm or 3 milligram per liter. The next question is, velocity of flow of water in plain sedimentation water tank is normally 30 centimeter per minute or 0.3 meter per minute. The discharge storage zone of a reservoir is above the useful storage zone. The reservoir is divided into 3 zones. They are, first below zone is known as dead zone, second zone is known as useful zone, third zone is known as surcharge zone. The next question is, while designing a water supply of an industrial township, industrial and commercial water demand of water supply is assumed to be 20 to 25%. Specific yield of a well is total quantity of water available in the well. The ratio of total capacity and dead storage is kept 4. N is porosity and Y is specific yield and R is specific retention of any soil. The relationship which holds good is Y plus R equal to N, where Y is specific yield, R is specific retention and N is porosity. The next question is, the chloride content of treated water for public surface should not exceed 250 ppm or 250 milligram per liter. The permanent oddness of water can be removed by zeolite process. To ensure proper growth of children's teeth and quantity of fluoride used in the water mains is 1 milligram per liter. The 48th question is, turbidity of water is expressed in ppm or milligram per liter. Recuperation test is carried out to determine the yield of the well. This is the 50th question. The bacteria which require free oxygen for their survival are called as aerobic bacteria. The permissible pH value for public water supplies may range between 6.5 to 8.5. The efficiency of sedimentation tank does not depend upon the depth of the tank. Distribution of wash water is provided in rapid gravity filter. For maximum alkalinity of water, pH value should be 14. The prescribed hardness limit of potable water ranges from 75 to 115 ppm. Mostly used coagulant is alum, that is aluminum sulfate. E. coli bacteria die in water having pH greater than 9.5. The maximum Hartley consumption is generally taken as 150%. 1 degree hardness of water means a content of salt of 14.25 milligram per liters. The next question is, the period of cleaning of a slow sand filter is usually 1 month to 3 months. The next question is, after cleaning a slow sand filter, the filter water is not used for 48 hours. The next question is, oddness of a water is caused due to calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, calcium nitrates and calcium bicarbonates. So the answer is all of the above. The next question is, percussion drilling is unsuitable in consolidated rocks. The standard BOD at 20 degrees Celsius is taken for the consumption in 5 days. Increase in population of a rapidly growing city may be estimated by geometrical method. The next question is, aeration of water is done to remove the odor. The time of concentration is time taken for the storm water to travel from the most remote point to the drain. Next question is, biochemical oxygen demand, that is BOD, of a safe drinking water must be nil. The next question is, the specific retention is least in case of clay. As per IS 1172/1963, water required per head per day for average domestic purpose is 135 liters. If pH of a water is 7, it is said to be neutral. The 73rd question is, the permissible amount of nitrates present in potable water is nil. Alum is chemically aluminium sulfate, which is used as a coagulant. This is the last question of the video. The chlorine supply cylinders are kept at 38 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius to prevent it from conversion into crystals. That's all for the today's session. In next session, we are going to see the another 75 basic environmental engineering questions. If you feel this video is helpful for you, subscribe to the channel and thank a civil engineer if you like safe drinking water, clean environment and efficient transportation. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you all.